Hey guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing St. Louis style ribs on my UDS. Here we go. Back already seasoned up. We're going to season the front up. We're going to be using Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub for the first base here. So we're going to go ahead and get our rib here, our St. Louis style rib. We're going to make sure you get the ends. Make sure you get all the sides, guys. You want to get every bit of the rib, because that's flavor. All these ribs have flavor in them, okay? So you gotta make sure you get all the rib. And like I said, I'm just kind of going down through here. Nice little coating. These are my ribs. My wife's ribs are already on the pit barrel. She wanted them on the pit barrel, so her ribs are already going. These are mine. So I'm gonna, oh, didn't mean to put that much on there. Oh well. You live and learn. All right, now we're gonna come back with some Meat Church's Honey Hog. Normally I use Cosmo's Killer Bee, but I'm out, so we're gonna go with this one as the secondary layer here. Remember to come back and get your sides, guys, because sides are flavor, okay? All right. Now we're going to come back with Heath Riles' Cherry Rub. And I'll leave links down below, guys, to all these sites where I got these rubs, if you're interested in getting any. And come on and get that nice color. Look at that red color, guys. That's the one thing about the cherry rub that I like. It has great color. Great color on here. Alright guys, we're going to let this sit here and soak for a minute. I'm going to go out there and check on the UDS because it's lit. Hopefully it's almost up to temperature, and we'll put these on outside. I'll see you then. Alrighty, we're right here at the UDS. It's running right about 250, kind of where I wanted it. Go ahead and get this open. We're running post oak and cherry wood for this cook. Can I show you guys these ribs here? Look at that color, you guys. Beautiful. Go ahead and lay these ribs on down here on the rack. Nice and kind of together. Alrighty. Well, that's what we're going to run them like, guys. Just like that. I ain't got no water pan or anything like that in there. So we're going to run them just like that. We'll come out here in probably about an hour or so and check them, see if we need to spritz them, if the bark is set. We'll see how it goes. So we'll bring you back in an hour, guys, all right? Alrighty, we're going to check on our ribs here. It's been about an hour. Yeah, the bark's not quite set all the way yet, guys. We do have some nice pullback, though, on this other side, but they're coming along nicely. This has been running about, there. This has been running about 275, 300, okay? So I'll bring y'all back here probably another 20 minutes or so. We'll check them then. Alrighty, let's take a look at these ribs. Some nice pullback drawn back here, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there's some nice drawback in those ribs back there. Very nice and moist. Again, I'm not really running any. I'm just going to kind of give a nice little spritz with some apple cider vinegar and some Jim Beam whiskey. That's all I'm going to do. I'm very pleased with these guys. I'm going to continue to let these go for a little bit longer before we wrap them. But again, I'm going to try to get you in here. Try to get you nice. There we go. Look at that. Nice. All right, guys, I'll bring you back here shortly. Ribs, guys. Beautiful color on these ribs. Back this camera up just a tad there. Nice color on it. Beautiful pullback on these guys. Nice bend on them. Very nice. Let's check to see how tender they are, guys, okay? I'm going to say these ribs will probably fall off the bone tender more than I normally would like, but we'll see. Let's give it a little poke. Oh, yeah, guys, like butter. No resistance. Very nice. All right, so normally I would use like barbecue sauce, but today I come across this and I'm very excited to try it. Texas pepper jelly, rib candy, apple and brown sugar habanero. I'm gonna give this a shot, guys. I happened to find it at my local barbecue store, and I was really pleased this punch because I've been wanting to try these. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit on here. Just kind of let it run. Woo. There we go. Alrighty, guys. Want any more on there? We covered up pretty well. Looks like we're covered up pretty well. I'm gonna get this lid closed because my fire's starting to get hot. Let me get this lid closed, guys. So you let that there. All right, let me bring y'all up here. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna let that rib candy sit, get kind of a nice little tack on it, and then we'll get ready to pull these ribs off. Okay? We'll see you in a few when we get ready to cut them up. Got our ribs done. They look absolutely fabulous. That color on there, and we'll be getting ready to get these cut up, and we'll bring you back. Alrighty, guys. And there it is. We have gorgeous looking ribs. They look delicious. Alright, so what we did, guys, was a little quick review. We just simply took and some St. Louis style spare ribs we got from Walmart, and then we put some mustard on as a binder. We seasoned it with Heath Rowell's garlic jalapeno, Honey Hog from Meat Church, and Heath Rowell's cherry rub. So I ran on the UDS about 250 or so, 275, and here we go. We're going to take and get a bite. Look at the color, guys. Very juicy, very juicy. And yeah, so we're getting ready to get a bite. There we go. Look at that, guys. I mean, it's clean off the bone, guys. It's a clean bite through right there. Nice bite. It's perfect, you guys. I'm telling you, UDS rocked it. The flavors were there. Yeah, I can't even stop eating it. So it was so good. Man, it was good, you guys. I'm telling you. All right, so we're gonna close this out, you guys. I just want to say that if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. Okay. It doesn't cost you anything. Make sure you hit that bell notification, let you know when I put out new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and share this video, guys. Greatly appreciate it. And guys, we'll catch you on the next one. See you then.